What's up, my dudes, and welcome back to the channel. Alright, we're finally getting to the Camaros. A while back, I showed off this awesome M2 Camaro, and then I never got around to opening it. Today's the day. We're gonna crack it open. Let me add some more light over here and adjust the camera. We're gonna crack this open. We're gonna build it up, and we're gonna check it out. Let's see, I think it has the name. Yeah, so I guess it's just M2 model kit, which makes sense. There's the item number, and there's a little tidbit about it. Feel free to pause the video if you want to check that out. All right, so I'm gonna crack this one open off screen, and then I will be right back. All right, here we go. So I went ahead and I cut the side with scissors, and first things first, let's check this out just for fun, because this is my first M2 model kit. In fact, this is my first M2 of any kind. Oh, just little instructions. I didn't even think that would be necessary. It was something so basic and small, but hey, it's cool. We'll just put it right there for now. Maybe I'll need it, who knows. All right, so let's go ahead and take all this good stuff out. That's my little Chevrolet cardboard emblem. Speaking of Chevrolets, I got my GMC. I put a new battery in it because it's been sitting for a while. I say new GMC, but it's old. 1988 GMC Sierra 1500. And I already... My mechanic has it. He's going to install my lowering kit, my roll can, and he's going to put a new starter in it for me just because it seems like it needs one. And a bunch of other maintenance things, and I can't wait because right after that, I'm rolling it into paint. Alright, so here's this. Comes with an awesome lift, which is the reason why I'm probably going to buy a lot of these. I love the fact that it comes with a lift. I just think that it's so cool. Especially because I think I found this for like $9, which is super cheap. And it even comes with a screwdriver, which is ridiculous. That's so cool. Not that I need another screwdriver, but hey, if it's specially made for it, I'll take it. Alright, we'll put that right there for now. Let's see, looks like there's another little piece of plastic holding this in. Oh, I see, there's some tape on there. Use a little force. Oh, and the wheels go flying. It's cool though. Alright, there's all my little bits and bobs. Oops, one of the tires popped out. I actually want to leave those in there for now. And here's the little screwdriver it comes with. How neat is that? Comes with the little chintzy screwdriver, but that's so cool though. Oh, these are my axles? Check that out, you guys. Have you guys built these before? Like, this is so cool. I am super excited. This little IROC Z, little piece of cardboard there. How awesome is this? I am super excited. Let's see. Would you go with these gold wheels? They look kind of like PR5s-ish, sort of. Or these multi-spoked white wheels. I already decided I'm going to go with the white wheels. I think they're awesome. But of course, these gold wheels would be great for maybe like a Trans Am build or something. So we're definitely going to hang on to those. And then it looks like... Oh, we got 2 different engines? Oh, neat. Okay. Alright, alright. Interesting. I like them both. Alright, so first things first, let's put these wheels together. Since I'm going to go with the white ones, we'll put the gold ones aside. Oh, it looks like I'm missing a gold one. Probably flew up. There it is. Flew off underneath my little camera stand here. Alright, so I'm going to go also with these tires because they look more sporty with the Goodyear writing on there. Awesome. All right, got all 4 wheels completed. Let's see what's next. Next, we probably have to remove this because I believe it's attached with screws, which is annoying, but at least we have the exact screwdriver for the job. Oh, and wow, M2 uses like quality screws. They don't just strip immediately. That's great. M2 is really impressing me with my first experience with it. I'm really happy with this product so far. And of course, I would like to know your thoughts on M2 machines down in the comments below. Do you have them? Do you think they're cool? If you don't have any, do you plan on getting any? I was pretty much diehard Hot Wheels, and then I moved on to like Matchbox. And then I discovered stuff like this thanks to WTF FOR, one of my favorite YouTube channels. Look at this thing, by the way. Look at these details. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Super heavy casting. Pretty much anything that can be metal is metal. Got some plastic taillights there. This thing is bonkers sick. Big old cowl. Roll down windows, black interior, metal base. So sick. Alright, let's see. So if I open the hood, there's probably not going to be an engine in there, I imagine. Oh, okay, cool. So it looks like this pop in. I'm going to go with the chromed out one, or maybe aluminum. You decide. Oops. Hopefully it just pops in there. There we go. Oh, that's so easy to do. That is awesome. That is so sick. You guys see that okay? Oh, that's the fastest engine swap I've ever been a part of. Alright, so next I guess we're gonna have to cut open these little axles. And they give me 4 of them. Maybe they just give me extra. Oh, maybe I could just have the other ones ready to go or something. I don't know, but I'm actually just assuming these are axles, to be honest with you. Let's see. So if they pop on here, then my assumption will be correct. Yep, they pop right on. I'm guessing they just slide right in. And the other one should just pop right on as well. This is awesome. This is so much fun. I wish I had done this a long time ago, because I've been just been super busy. And I know it seems funny because it's just a little easy kit, but I was like, let's just open up some Hot Wheels or Matchbox instead. I don't want to build anything. But boy, this is awesome. And honestly, I'm in a great mood, you know, like just getting my truck into the shop to get started. Finally, I've been accumulating parts like crazy. My living room, like seriously, you have to it's like a maze of boxes. I've got parts everywhere. Like seriously everywhere. I got grill and let's see, that one seems to have a lot more going on. This one has none at all. So this axle is shorter. It's probably in the front. Okay. Well, there it is. My first Camaro build. I would love to build a 3rd generation in real life. I really, really, really would. This thing is awesome. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Alright, and I won't make you guys watch me do it, but I'm also going to go ahead and put these wheels together too, just so I can have them. Alright, and now we got 4 more wheels. So I got 4 wheels and a spare engine, and I thought I had some extra axles somewhere. I have to find those. Oh, there they are. Don't want to lose those, so I'll put them right there. And our first Camaro is going to go right there on top. I say first Camaro, because check this out, you guys. Went ahead and picked up a 2nd gen as well. It's a 71 SS. How awesome is that? Now this one had a different name, I think. Yeah, let's call this one Auto Wheels. Doesn't come with the lift. And I'm not going to force you guys to watch me build this one. So I'm going to do it off screen, and I will be right back. Alright, you guys. We've done our modifications, and I'm liking these wheels quite a bit better. And the tires, for that matter. Now, these aren't the best rollers. You know, that's not really what they're for. Love this one. Wish the hood opened, but it's all good that it doesn't. Totally, totally cool. Alright, so let's put this over here. There we go. Probably gonna remove these things, actually, in the future, but for now, we'll just leave it. And you might be thinking, well, that's got to be the end of the video, right? Well, that is not the case. Let me put all this stuff away here. Oops. We got one more awesome M2 product to check out. And yes, it is this amazing hauler and Camaro set. Now, at first I was looking all over. I was like, is the brand called Details? Is it called Performance? Is it... what is it? I couldn't find any logos until I looked at this little sticker right there. It has the M2 logo on that sticker. Interesting. Yeah, that's the price. $22 for these at Hobby Lobby. I got all these at Hobby Lobby, I think. I don't even remember anymore. I had that first Camaro for a very long time. I don't remember. No, I got that at Walmart. And the other ones I got at Hobby Lobby. Yeah, this is awesome. Don't have to build anything with this one. It is great just the way it is. Probably got some screws to remove, but that's about it. Alright, there we go. Oops. Got wheels everywhere. Wheels and tires everywhere. Good problem to have. Oops. Oh, I guess I didn't even really realize this was a Lexan case. It's got a little smear up top there, but I can polish that out if I wanted to, which I do not, because I don't plan to keep this in a case. Oh, okay, these have little tabs right there I gotta pop out. So, let me do that first. Alright, my dudes. I am officially an M2 fanboy. This hauler is so sick. Look at these details. So sick. It's missing side view mirrors, but a lot of die-cast cars do that for some reason. Look at those awesome rims and tires, gas tanks, the paint work, the tampos, the grill work. Amazing. Let's see if this hood opens. I feel like it probably won't. Beginning bad luck with opening hoods. Yeah, so this hood does not open. It is a separate piece, but it doesn't open. And I don't think this moves either, but it's all good. Some real basic taillights. Real basic chassis too, honestly, but the cab is heavy metal. But most importantly, of course, is this awesome 3rd gen. Amazing. Absolutely love it. Very, very sick. Let's check out the hood. Let's see what hood they gave me. Oh, okay, they gave me the all black one with this one. So they gave me an LS1. Dang, wow. These M2 vehicles are so sick. Love these. Look how cool it is. Wow. Alright, you guys, that was the video. Thank you very much for hanging with me on this very long video. In case you're new here, my name is J-Dog, and I post die-cast videos all the time. And if you collect like I do, please subscribe to the channel, and very gently side snap kick the like button right in its ugly face. And yeah, I will catch you guys next time.